Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here a limited edition Allure beauty box. In fact, this is the ultimate K beauty box, and since I love Korean beauty, I can't wait to see what's inside. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's open it up. Cheers! So this box retails for about $60 on the Allure member store, and it's supposed to have 10 items, all K-beauty, and the value is supposed to be over $200. So I was really excited. I was a little surprised that Allure beauty box was offering a K-beauty box, but at the same time super excited. And you get access to the member store by being a member even if you're skipping boxes. So just another perk of being an Allure beauty box member. This is everything we're supposed to be inside this box. You can see lots of great things. This is what enticed me to get the box. It's packaged nicely, and let's dig in. Okay, off the bat, I see a lot of good things. They all look pretty much full size, so I'm excited about that. I think in fact there's supposed to be 10 products, 8 of which are promised to be full size. So that's great. I already see some favorites and some new, and yeah, okay. First off, I have here Medicube Zero Pore Pads 2.0. So these are skin toner pads. I love Medicube. It is a Korean company that really focuses on innovative devices as well as beauty products. I have a bunch of their beauty products. I've just started to get into their devices. I really like everything that they're about. I like the results I'm seeing, so always excited to add, and who can't use more pore pads? So looking at the ingredients, I see a lot of things that jump out to me. There's a lot of fruit extracts, plant extracts. There's also some Centella asiatica, which is supposed to help with hydration, calming down your face. I do notice this has lactic and salicylic acid, so this is going to be a combo AHA and BHA. So it's not only going to get the surface of your pores, it's actually going to go down deeper in your pores to kind of keep things clean. And this also has panthenol, and that is going to help with collagen, elastin production, as well as hydration. And I just want to see, it is quite a big tub, and I love this. It comes with little tweezers, so benefit, awesome. Happy to have these pore pads, and this is something that I would use after cleaning my face, even after maybe double cleaning my face, and then just to kind of get residual dirt off, as well as to get deeper into the pores. The next product I have is from Kahi. This is the Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm. I actually have this product. I have yet to use it. It just happens with me when I have so many products. I've heard great things. This is supposed to spot treat either wrinkles or areas where you're dehydrated. So you can kind of use it all over your face, all over your neck. And key ingredients here, now this is fun, comes from salmon DNA, so it's PDRN, and it's an ingredient I've seen a lot in Korean products. It's usually pink, which I'm not complaining at all. Also hydrolyzed collagen and soluble proteoglycan. So that's gonna help keep your skin moisturized, as well as kind of, you can see. It looks like this. I'm gonna put some on my skin, and I have an immediate soothing, hydrating effect on my skin. This is without it, this is with it. You can see, nice glow. So you can, if you have wrinkles here, you have wrinkles and laugh lines, you can do it on your forehead, you can do it all over. It smells good. Does not smell like salmon. So, in case you were wondering. So that's the second product in this box. 2 out of 10. Now this is from April Skin. I have not used anything from this brand, but I've heard a lot of great things. But this is the Keratin Hydro Cleansing Balm. It's a one-step makeup remover. I love a good cleansing balm. For me, it's not always about the makeup, since I don't wear a ton of makeup, but it really can help with the dirt. It can help break down sunscreen. I'm always wearing a good amount of sunscreen, and it's nice because it starts as a solid. You kind of work it with your hands, put it on your face, turns into an oil, and then you add a little water once you get a good amount on your skin, and it creates a lather. And there is something in the top. So this is the package itself, and it's, I don't know if you can hear that. I think there's an applicator or something in the top, but it's like you have to go on a treasure hunt to find it. Okay, there we go. Pop the top, and it comes with a little orange spatula, which I have plenty of spatulas, but none orange, so that's fine, and it fits really nicely, and you can kind of see what it looks like. Nice smell. It's really orange, so guessing from the carrots and carrots, vitamin A. It's gonna help with brightening. It's gonna help with kind of soothing your skin, and this is supposed to help with not only taking off your makeup but helping with blackheads. So I like that, and it's, I mean, it's a big tub. Okay. Now this is from Innisfree. This is a chestnut BHA 2% clear liquid. So I'm guessing this is a toner. Yes, it's a toner. So this is a BHA toner, so it's really going to help get down into your pores. The active ingredients most likely, yeah, there it is, salicylic acid. So that's nice. And it's 2% salicylic acid, so you could probably use this as a spot treatment if you're breaking out and kind of go like this to that one pimple, or you know, however many pimples you have. Or of course you can soak a pad and either wipe on your skin or let the pads sit on the skin, whatever kind of issues you're facing. But it's, you know, just a nice size. And does it have a smell? Okay, it is closed. Let's open it. It's supposed to be chestnut. I wonder if it smells like chestnut. It doesn't smell like chestnut. It is clear. I was expecting it to be, I don't know, maybe like creamy-ish. It smells nice, like very mild fragrance if anything, and yeah. Nice mild toner. Love that. And this is from Innisfree. Okay, let's keep going. My drink just got away from me. I don't know. Okay. Show must go on. This is from Allure. This is the Heartleaf Soothing Toner, 77%. This is another toner, but this is soothing. So that one was BHA, so salicylic acid. This one is going to be focused more on kind of soothing and hydrating your skin. So not all toners are made the same. It's a really big bottle. Let me see if I noticed any of the ingredients. The main ingredient here, in fact 77%, is this Houtunia cordata extract. This is a plant-based extract that is supposed to help. It's supposed to have antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, as well as I believe it's supposed to help brighten your skin and help with discoloration. So there is a lot of great benefits about this, and just another toner to try in this box of fun. Sip. I think it's the plums. There's like some plums in my drink. I put them there. Don't like they just ended up there. And they're umeshu. And I think when I go to drink, they kind of jump out at me. So that's what's happening. All right, now this does look like a deluxe sample, but so far it looks like I'm getting all full sizes, so I'm fine with that. Now this is mugwort essence. It does sound like something from Harry Potter. And the brand is I'm From. This is vegan, certified clean, and mugwort is a weed, so it may seem kind of weird to take the essence and put the essence of a weed on your face. But it's supposed to have great properties for sensitive as well as acne prone skin. It's supposed to help kind of treat irritated areas. So this is something maybe you want to apply after I don't want to say harsh toner, but if you do a toner that maybe your skin is a little red, this is kind of a nice cooling effect after, once your skin is mostly dry or at least not really tacky. And this looks like a deluxe size, but still, I mean, it's a really nice size to kind of try it out. Okay, getting to the bottom of this box. Or thought. Keep finding more. Okay, this is Some by Me. This is a Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. So retinol, we're gonna love it for kind of combating signs of aging, helping with wrinkles. It can also help with acne and darkening of skin. So this is an eye cream. And I have to say, for an eye cream, this is a really nice size. A lot of eye creams are like these kind of cute little things, and then they're supposed to be considered full size, I guess, because everything's so potent. And with eye cream, you don't need a lot, so this is really gonna last you a while. And because this is retinol, this is something you're not going to want to go out in the sun after, so you want to apply this at night after you wash your face, any kind of toners, things like that. And you also don't want to mix it with things like AHAs, BHAs, or vitamin C or any actives. So pat it around the eyes or areas where you feel most concerned about wrinkles. So for me, maybe around the eyes, maybe a little bit up here, kind of do one of these. So it is supposed to be around the eyes, but that doesn't mean you can't do it in other areas. Yeah, this is a 0.1% retinol. This is from Dear Claire's. This is a rich, moist, soothing cream to replenish moisture. It's supposed to have a gentle and soothing, non-greasy finish. I'm assuming this is, okay, it's for your face. After cleansing, putting on your toner, your serums, you pat the moisturizer onto your face. So this is something you could do day or night. I don't see any active ingredients in this, so it's really going to be about kind of hydration, keeping your moisture in. It has beta-glucan. It has, let's see, dimethicone. It does have dimethicone. So one thing to note about dimethicone is if you use another product with dimethicone, which is in the silicone family, you might have some pilling. So you do want to spot test, and you do want to let this completely dry down before applying even like a sunscreen with anything like that, because you might get some pilling where kind of the product just pills up if you use something with dimethicone. But that doesn't mean all products with dimethicone do that. It's just something I've noticed. And this is the tube of moisturizer. This kind of looks more like a body or hand cream, but it is saying moisturizer, so we'll start there. And then if I don't like it for my face, you know, the great thing is my hands could always use a good hand moisturizer. So that's Dear Claire's. We're down to the last two. Another product from Innisfree. This is Mugwort. More Mugwort. That was a different brand. More Mugwort. This is a calming clay mask. Very nice. So this is going to contain real mugwort extract, leaf powder to reduce excessive sebum. So the clay mask is really kind of going to help clean and tighten your pores. This isn't something I would use maybe for hydration or anti-aging, but definitely you can either put it in just areas where you feel your pores are out of control or kind of breaking out, so maybe your nose or any kind of in your T-zone, or you could do all over. I'm guessing it's a green color, I'm assuming. Yes, it is green. I took a peek. You can kind of see. Let's see. Peek, 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 peek. Whoops. That was the peek, and it is green. And we'll put it back. Okay. Soft clay formula. After cleansing, apply a thin layer, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rub off. So the only thing about clay-based masks is your skin can feel kind of really tight afterwards. So it's important to know what other ingredients are in here. So I do see the clay is kaolin, as well as there's bentanoate. So there's two different types of clay. There's at least two. Actually, I see a third. But I also do see some hydrating ingredients on here. So that leaves me to think that maybe this isn't going to completely dehydrate your skin. If it does though, just follow up with a nice soothing essence or even an oil, a moisturizer, something to kind of bring the moisture back if you're stripping it with a clay mask. All right, last but not least, collagen MDP Plus. So this is formulated by Metapeel Lab. This is their Collagen Clear 2.0 Daily Cleansing Solution for Skin Turnover. Now, I don't usually see products that talk about collagen where I'm thinking anti-wrinkle, as well as clear where I'm thinking anti-acne, but I think it's great to combine them. There is peptide 9, so I love that. This is supposed to be a cleansing foam formula to keep your skin clean, moisturized, beautiful. It's also going to be promoting the collagen with the peptide 9. So they're key ingredients that are going to help with collagen, elastin production, so kind of a collagen based cleanser that's still gonna help with your pores, keep things clean, maybe breakouts. All in all, my box is done. My box is done. This was a great box. I paid around $60 for it. I can see that this value is over $200, so I'm very happy about that. And just a lot of fun products or brands that I've never heard of. So different things I can kind of add to my beauty arsenal that I have got going on over here. So thank you so much for watching. You can buy all or at least most of these products at yesstyle.com. So I will be putting my affiliate code down below so you can get a discount on any of the products you liked and want to try out. Please let me know in the comments down below if you have received this Allure Ultimate K-Beauty box, what you thought of it, or if you've tried any of these products and what some of your favorites are. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.